When you change the 0 point, origin, for the rulers in the comp view, what happens to the values After Effects calculates and displays for layers in the timeline, such as their position and anchor point properties? Option A. After Effects will calculate from the top left of the comp. Option B. After Effects will calculate from the center point of TE comp. Option C. After Effects will calculate according to the new origin of the comp for all layers. Option D. After Effects will calculate according to the new origin of the comp only for 3D layers. The correct answer is option A. Which statement is true after the 0 point for a composition has been changed? Option A. The origin of layer space will be changed. Option B. Anchor point values for all layers will be changed. Option C. The 0 point for all compositions will be changed. Option D. A second set of X and Y coordinates will appear in the info panel. The correct answer is option D. Rolling the mouse scroll wheel forward and backward when using the Unified Camera tool has the same result as using what? Option A. The Track Z camera tool. Option B. The Orbit camera tool only. Option C. The Track Z camera tool only. Option D. The Orbit and Track Z camera tools. The correct answer is option C. To modify the material options of an imported Photoshop Live object layer, what should you do first? Option A. Right-click the 3D image layer and choose Edit Original. Option B. Right-click the 3D image layer and choose Convert to Live Photoshop 3D. Option C. Select the 3D image layer and choose Effects 3D Channel Extract. Option D. Select the 3D image layer and reveal the live Photoshop 3D effect using the Effect Controls panel. The correct answer is option A.